I'll be leaving this ignition on because there is further tests I'm going to be doing to confirm it in as much as that is concerned. So let's go to the hood by popping it up in here. Okay, because I don't want to waste you guys time, I'm removing the top cover here, and this is the VVT solenoid. That's the inlet timing valve bank 2, and this is the bank 1 right here. Now since it's already this way, I don't want to waste you guys time. I've taken it off. It's being held in place by 10 bolts, and it's talking about the both of them, so which means the 2 of them. Now I have pulled the wire. That's why I said I left the ignition on, so I can be able to do some testing here. Now in order for me to test if it is the power problem, okay, so I've taken it off. Sorry for that breaking transmission. A customer called in. So we need to be testing the power, and we need to test the VVT solenoid. So the first thing we want to test here is the power, because I left the ignition on because it's going to be running down the battery. So let me see this camera here, okay, and get in my multimeter. Okay, this position is okay because I didn't come with my stuff. So here is my multimeter. I'm going to find a place to hang it here so you can be able to see the reading. Come on, buddy. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna first of all set it to voltage readings, because that's what we're gonna be expecting. So what you should be expecting here is a battery voltage, which the ECM uses to control the VVT solenoid. So we're gonna go ahead. There is no polarity, so I'm gonna put the pull-through probe there and test it, and let's see what we're gonna get. Now we're gonna test it and also do a wiggle test. Okay, here we go. We have 12.1 volts, which is exactly. Now I'm wiggling it. And no thing. The reason why I'm doing the wiggling test is because if it has any short circuit, if it has open circuit inside that is creating this partial contact, that's gonna be. So we validated that the problem is not a power problem. So since we've checked this one and it doesn't have a power problem, there's likely that there is no power problem in the other one. So the next thing is you need to remove this one here, which I told you guys is being held in place by three bolts. So now I've lost this one out, so we want to go ahead and change this reading here and turn it to ohmic range, right? Okay, finally we got them. So here I'm gonna be testing these two guys here, and you wanna, this time the ignition to be on is not necessarily required because you've taken it out. Now what we'll be expecting on this solenoid here is between 8 ohms to 12 ohms. Anything short of that is not good. So I have the two connected right now. Let's take a look at it. It's giving 7.9 ohms. So this is where the problem is, guys. This is the problem. It should be giving anything short of 8 ohms. It should be 8 ohms and above, but this one, it dropped from 8 ohms to 7.5. So the two of them is gonna be needing a replacement, and that's gonna solve the problem. Now after that, aside that, we also wanna test the body and make sure that there is no short circuit to the ground. No short circuit, but as soon as we place it right there, what we're getting is below the expected range. That's 7.9 right there. So guys, now